You want to wear the cover, but we're going to lose your hair. Hi guys, good morning everybody. How are you all doing? It's another beautiful day. Welcome back again to another vlog. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting one also. So we are still getting ready for our JAPADA. JAPADA. So what are we doing today? We are going to lose our hair today. Lose it. That's my baby girl. Yeah, say hi. Good job. So I'm going to be losing their hair today. I'll make it as well. I'm not going to making a hair that will stress me. In fact, the hair that I have on my mind is just all up. Then I'll make a ponytail for them. Then put some color things. When we get home, we can do another hair. So if there's anything more simpler than that, I'm going to do it. But I think this one is okay. So after losing her hair, I'm going to wash it. Same thing with her sister. By tomorrow, I don't know how this vlog is going to be, but let me just highlight you guys. By tomorrow, some of our family and friends, but majorly our family that are here, that we informed that will be relocating back to Nigeria, they're going to come and we are going to make a pepper soup for them and white rice. Yeah, maybe we'll make small stew for the children. So the person that will bring the meat will come today, hopefully. Yeah, already called him to bring meat for us. Then we'll do the pepper soup. They will come tomorrow, and what other thing I don't know, but no, the biggest stuff. So, but so far, this is how everything is. Yesterday, I went for my what is it called, flash drive, so I'll be able to have more space on my phone. Though I deleted some videos that are not needed on my phone, and I also got things that I'll be using for their hair, and picked some clothes also. I didn't take you guys along on doing those ones. So what other thing? We are still going to pack. So I don't know how this vlog is going to be, but first of all, let me go on and lose their hair. Then we'll start making the hair immediately. Okay, so that is it. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Let's make our hair. As for my own, I'm not doing anything. I try me help me more uncomfortable. So please continue watching and like this video if you have not. Yeah, I'm going to make your hair first. Okay, I want to lose her own. After losing her own, then I'll wash your hair before I wash mama own. I'm going to make your hair before mama. Okay. So guys, we are done. Look at it. Show your hair. Sit down, sit down. That's it. I don't know if you guys can see it. So our rose is going to be here. This thing, the ponytail. So I'm going to make something for them here. Yeah. You finish making kaki? Can you do it? Can you clean yourself? Okay, close your mouth. So let me call her sister and finish up also. Yeah. So what do you say to mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
Sure. High five. We look at it. Yeah.
Mama,
Yeah. I'm very tired.
I have something right here.
I have something where?
Like red.
Like red?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's because I have baby on my tummy. Okay. So let me go and I'm hungry. Let me go and eat. So we can do mama home. Okay?
Okay.
So let me go and eat, guys. And start up our sister's home. You like your hair?
Yes.
And what do you think about
It's beautiful.
yeah, it's beautiful. And what turns in like hair to come on? You say thank you to me.
Thank you.
Oh, I realize me so thank you to me. So what else are you telling me?
I love you.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Cool. Mommy just stands up. Going to make the cookies and put it here. It's so beautiful. I like this thing that is here. Hmm? This one is
I found you, baby.
originated by mommy. Originated by mommy.
Oh my God, this mommy, me like to have cocoa like this. Me like.
Yeah, we're going to make it here. I'm going to make a real berry one. I'm going to make this a Alright. Come. High five.
How about me? How about baby?
Good job.
How about baby to tell me?
Oh, baby, they come.
No, mix that.
You don't make it hazard.
I don't know smell.
It's okay. So mommy's tired. Let me go and fresh up from the tired. Hi guys, it's another beautiful day. Yesterday I was so down and I could not even sleep well last night, but all is well. So I told you guys that we are going to be hosting our friends, our family today, telling them that we are going back to Nigeria. And I also told you guys yesterday that someone is supposed to bring meat for us. So we are supposed to prepare pepper soup for them. But the person said that he'll be coming by 10 o'clock yesterday. He did not come. We waited till 11:30. He did not come. So this morning again, we called him and he said he's going to be coming by 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, we're expecting our visitors by 4 o'clock. And he said he's going to come in 1 o'clock. So we're almost at the verge of disappointment. But everything is working well. There's no problem about that. So we've already shifted our plans. So maybe I'm going to prepare fried rice. Yeah. If he finally brings the meat, I'll still make the soup, but it's going to be small. We've not done our final packing, but that one is going to be when they might have gone. I'm going to refresh up myself, rush to the market immediately, get the fried rice things, so we can start preparing. Then what else? Nothing much for now. So I'll start cooking immediately because we already informed them to come. Okay, hoping that this person is going to bring this meat for us. And that is the plan that we have. Honestly, if you are doing anything, just have option B. In case anything disappoints you, anybody or any material that you want to use, have option B in case of anything. So that is it for now. I might not be taking you guys along in the market because I will go alone. There's no time. I'll quickly go now and get those things, come back, then we start preparing. Hi guys, so I told you guys that the person that was supposed to bring meat for us disappointed, though he later came. We are expecting like 10 to 15 persons. I don't know how they are going to turn up. We are done cutting the carrots. This is the green beans and all the peppers are also ready. So this one is the onion, whatever, whatever. I've forgotten because my brain is not correct now. And the meat is there also. We are going to watch the meat. I mean the this thing, the towel that they brought for us now. So that is the meat the guy was supposed to bring yesterday. So we need to wash it now. It's almost ready. That is our meat. I also have this in here. These are, look at it. So I'll allow it to cool before we start cutting it. Yeah. And main meat is not here, it's only towel and the intestine. Oh, I must see work. Oh. But look at the block. I love this one. He came in here. Hey, oh, wow.
Nancy, she's the mom of five, she thrives. An African woman with a vibe that's alive. She's loving her life and her job so much, with the world in her hands and a loving touch. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom in her heart.
This one is our gizzard. I want to fry it a bit. I'll start mixing it. And that is our meat. It's ready. And this one is for pepper soup. I'm going to parboil it before I'm washing. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This is my rice. Give me what I want. Everything in place.
Gold, she's built a home. Morning hustle with a smile on her face. Kids in the background, life's a busy race. But Nancy's dancing through the crazy scene. Her heart's a melody like you've never seen. Nancy owns the vibe, yeah, she's full of grace, spreading joy like sunshine in every place. She likes peace, no soul, she always says shalom. In her heart of gold, she's built a home. She's cooking love in the kitchen like fire, living a dream she's lifted.
I know you guys might be expecting to see the people that came. Yeah, I cut the video short because something just happened while we were cooking. Should I say they never took the light? Okay, our light got disconnected. So it usually happen during the weekend. Okay, I thought they have resolved this issue of light on in and off in, but lo and behold, while we are still cooking, the thing just off, and it did not on till they came. Like yesterday, ndị ọkụ mere anyị 30. I could not do anything. We are so unhappy. But the NEPA people, they later came and fixed it because it's already Shabbat. So it's not easy for them to come and fix it immediately. That was around 5, 6. Okay. So I couldn't capture anything because we were angry though. We did our best to make our guests to be fine. And what other thing? In fact, all thanks to God Almighty, everything went well, and they turned up also. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today is Saturday, and that is the day we are going to be doing our final packing. But before that, I'm going to cook for the children, as I told you guys, before we start packing, doing everything, the remaining ones. All right, so if you watched up to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Everything went well to the glory of God, and they also went home in peace. All right, see you guys in our next video.